Dear students, hope you are doing great by the grace of Almighty. In today's video, I want to discuss about a problem that is related to solid geometry, and the figure related here is a cone. Here, from the figure, you can see that there have some terms defined: semi-vertical angle, vertical angle, height of cone, and radius of R. We have to establish a relation, that is, show that the curved surface area is equal pi h square multiplied by tan theta by cos theta. Here, given that the vertical angle, that is BAC or CAV, is equal to theta. That's why the semi-vertical angle BAO would be half of 2 theta, that means theta. And the radius of the base of the cone is equal BO is equal R, and the height of the cone AO, that means we can define it by h, small h, and the slant height, that is AV or AC, according to the Pythagorean theorem, L square is equal h square plus R square, that means L is equal square root of h square plus R square. Now, if you apply the trigonometric ratio tan theta in respect of BAO angle, that means theta, we get tan theta is equal opposite side by adjacent side, that means R by H. And that's why from tan theta is equal to R by H, we can get R is equal H multiplied by tan theta. Now let's try to establish the relation. According to formula of cone, the curved surface area would be pi r multiplied by L. If we input the value of L, that means square root of h square plus R square, we get such a relation. Now, if we input the value of R, that means h tan theta, then we get pi r square root of h square plus h tan theta whole square. Now, if we apply square on h square, h and tan theta, then we get pi r root over of h square h plus h square tan square theta. Now, if we get h square as common from the both terms, then we get pi r root over of h square multiplied by 1 plus tan square theta. Now, if we apply the square root on h square and 1 plus tan square theta, then we get pi r h square root of 1 plus tan square theta. According to trigonometric formula 1 plus tan square theta, we can write it sec square theta. That's why we get this type of equation. That means pi r h root over of sec square theta. We know that square root and square is eliminated. That's why we can write it like pi r h sec theta. Now, if we replace r for h tan theta and sec theta for 1 by cos theta, then we have pi multiplied by h tan theta multiplied by h multiplied by 1 by cos theta. And if we multiply h and h, we get h squared. That's why the relation would be pi h square tan theta by cos theta. Thanks for watching the video.